My bad for that, but I want to start all over again. This is MW3B683. Once again, the Nerf deployment. You've seen, I'll post that video up there. I'm sorry for all that, but Nerf deploy, you heard all of what I said, and I did the fire test. So yeah, this Nerf deploy. Let's go on to the Nerf Maverick Rev 6. That's the Nerf Maverick Rev 6. Like I was saying. There's really nothing to say about this because it's just a pistol. And it's a cool gun and all. Nice pistol. So yeah, it's a nice pistol. And now let's do the test. Bye bye. Be back in a little while. Oh shoot. I'll be back. Weird one. Okay. And I'm back. Yeah. Okay, can you still see the Tar Heel thing? Well, this is. Maybe right over here. Okay, now you can see it. Okay. Well, actually, we're gonna do the owl right here. We're going for his head. So we're gonna go for his head. Holding it straight. 3, 2, 1. On. Okay, so you see where that went? Did you see where that went? Let's go find it. Okay. We're here. Okay. Hey, Mr. Army Owl, how you doing? Okay. Did you get shot today? Yes, I did. Yes, I did. He said he got shot in the boobie. Okay. Where did this bullet shoot you? It shot me right above the chest. It shot me right above the chest. And I really need to go to a hospital. Could you bring me to a hospital? No, I'm in the middle of a Nerf video. Okay, I'll just lay and die. Okay. See you later. See you later, Mr. Wolf. I mean, why did I call you a wolf? See you later, Mr. Owl. Okay. Whoa. Okay, sorry. So yeah. Hit him about right here, right there in the chest. Nerf gun review number 2. MW3B683 out. Oh, by the way, like I said in my last video, or in the description, I'll put it in the description below. So look. All of my Nerf guns are for trade, but you have to give me a good deal or a good deal for a Nerf gun. So yeah, I'll go for a review of all my Nerf guns I have. Okay, got the Maverick. Nerf deploy. Strike fires. I got the strike fires. Okay, let's go back. Nerf deploy CS6. Maverick Rev 6. Strike fires. Got the strike fire set. It's going here. Oh, the Alpha Trooper CS18. Sorry it's so dark in here. Oh, look, you can see my jeans. Come on, you stupid gun. We've got the Long Strike CS6 with all attachments and everything. And we've got the Recon CS6 with only the laser because my brother has the aimer. Oh, we lost it. So yeah. Okay, bye. MW363 out. Peace.